Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another Friday streams. Let's get everything going. Let me just see. Alright. Alrighty. So we got that pulled up. We can pop out the
On
chat.
the job site, DeWalt leads the same way you do, by delivering every day and elevating every
Right
job.
over here.
Tools that help you work faster, safer, and better.
Actually,
Because
it's probably
leadership isn't
low. I
about
can
raising
take it off the
yourself
screen.
up. It's about raising up everyone around you. DeWalt.
Alright, I think we are
The
all
blue
set.
whale. The saltwater crocodile. The African bush elephant. Not all the largest things in nature are easy on the ears. Discover the
Alrighty. All right. Ooh. All right, guys. So we got news at 8:30. Average hourly earnings, unemployment rate, and non-farm employment change. So market is definitely going to be moving crazy. I necessarily don't want to take a news trade because it's Friday and you just never know with the news. So let's see. Alright, so Sunday open and value area high is the same thing. Ultimately, it already reacted from this level. So the next thing that I kind of want it to do is come back down, tap into this area, point of control, and then start breaking up. So, let's see if we can get bounce up. Alright, so for NAS100, it looks like it's already going to tap into the value area high. So we could possibly see if we can get some type of rejection off of it. But we also have the last week Sunday open right at this level. So technically it's in a tunnel right now. So we definitely want it to break out of it. But if I can get the proper entry on the sells, then we could take the sells. I see no problem with that. Another Sunday open. Alright, so the same thing here. 30 already broke above this value area low, and now it's breaking up. So it's either going to shoot for this point of control, or this Sunday open from last week, or come up to this point of control area. So we definitely need price to continue to go up, or it could possibly come back down for another test and then continue to go up. So we could see if that will happen. Then if we look at the dollar, it actually has been moving crazy this week. So it came back 1, 2, 3, almost 4 weeks worth of a downtrend. It just did that in 1 week. So gold is definitely making a move right back up right now. And then silver has kind of been all over the place. So we'll just stick to the main two things. So we got news in literally like 12 minutes. So we'll see what happens when that comes out. I don't think I'm going to do a news trade this time, just to save ourselves any nonsense. I might put in a sell order or a sell limit. Just because we want price to come down from here, and if it takes out these lows, then it's definitely going to be creating a new low point, which this would be the next new low point. I mean, you can use these as well, but I would be aiming for this. It would be breaking through this point of control, breaking through the current week value area low. So that would be a good possible trade for the news, if the news is negative, of course, but we never know. So I don't think I will do the news trade. I don't think so. Yeah, we're gonna see exactly what's gonna happen today. It's gonna be very interesting. Very interesting. Oh my goodness. Woo! Got news in 10 minutes.
Need the motivation to turn a fitness setback into a comeback? The Unlock More You by Optimum Nutrition playlist serves up our athletes' favorite gym music and tips for getting back on track. After your workouts, you can count on Gold Standard 100% Whey by Optimum Nutrition for the protein you need to recover your muscles. Click the banner now to unlock more you and start writing your legendary comeback story.
Want a satisfying meal for $6? Try the new $6 meal deal from Dunkin'. It's a medium hot or iced coffee and a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich and a side of hash browns for $6. After all, America runs on Dunkin'. Tap the banner to order now and take advantage of this offer while it lasts. Excludes espresso and cold brew beverages. Offer valid on bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches only.
Oh yeah, we
Seasonal.
love the
Participation may
ads.
vary, limit-
We love the ads. The ads are the best thing. I wish I could put my Apple Music on here so I don't have to use Spotify. Then it would just be so much easier. Alrighty. Oh god. Oof. Hmm. Five minutes before the news comes out. Hold on. Okay. Alright, so price is starting to finally come down. Got those news in 4 minutes. I gotta do something real quick. now that I have that all set up. Alright, so now we just gotta wait. I'm really curious to see what this... Oh, that 4 hours, like, perfect, but not perfect. There's no... Oh, there is a bottom wick. Alright, so yeah, this 4 hour was perfect. I would have taken it like this. It would be targeting the point of control, so that's pretty nice. That's like 500 ticks, which is crazy. Alright, we're almost into that level. Gold is very undecisive where it wants to go. It's creating an order block in the 2 hour. Alright, so let's see if it's going to start coming down. Oh, there it goes. I set it, and it's doing it. I'm kind of thinking about putting a sell limit right here. And then 100 ticks would be right there. So sell limit, 100 ticks, 30 tick stop loss. And that's just for the news that are coming out in a minute and 40. I mean, I don't know if I really want to do it. Nah, we're gonna wait it out, see what happens. Preferably, I would want it just to come down. Like, that's what I want the news to do. Push it all the way down so it gets to this level, and then we can get an entry right off the bat. That would be amazing. Phenomenal, to be honest. Why does it keep doing... Oh, there it goes. Yeah, marking's right. Alright, so we got 50 seconds. This is going to be pretty interesting to see. You know what? We're going to put a micro in right here. We'll put in 3. So this is literally $3, I believe. Yeah, $3. So we'll see exactly what this goes. We're doing a 30 tick stop loss, which is right here. So we'll put a buy once this moves out of the way. We could put a buy. 10 seconds.
Our daughter Jessie loves playing detective.
A clue.
2 seconds.
She discovered she has sensitive
There it
skin.
goes.
She's been playing
There it goes.
We thought the problem was our puppy.
but it was actually
So,
old detergent.
47 tick.
So we switched to
That's
Tide
crazy.
Clean Leader in the leading competitive
That's
range.
crazy instantaneously.
Plus,
Perfect.
gentle
Look at
hygiene
that. 110. Oh my goodness.
Case closed.
Literally exactly what I said was going to happen happened. We would have put a sell limit right here, right? Came all the way down. It's going to take out this previous day low, and it's going to come right back up. Oh my goodness. That is hilarious. That is genuinely hilarious. Hold on. I got to see. How much was that? That was only $166 because I used a micro, but if that wasn't a micro, that would have been $1,600. So that would have been a pretty good trade to take. Wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at that candle. I'm going to assume that it was all positive. Yep, all positive. The dollar's probably flying. Yeah. Silver is crashing too. NAS100 and NAS30 are pushing. So this is when we get some key levels. This is when we hit them. This is when we hit them. So now we got to see what's going to happen. All right, so we're going to see what's this 5-minute candle gonna do? That was a pretty crazy move right there. Nah. 212 ticks. My goodness. If I would have just put that in, we would have been done for the day. That would have been the end of the stream. Like, that's crazy. Well, I did catch, technically, that 200 tick move, right? I caught it on a micro. I didn't catch all 200 ticks because I moved the stop into the profit, and when you do that on Trade it automatically takes the trade out, which is annoying. You have to actually like place it, not move it. So that took it out. But if I would have held, we would have made, you know, $200, $300 because I used a micro. But if it was a lot of money, or if it was a lot of lots, or if it was a regular, then that would have been like 2-3 grand right there out the door. So it is what it is. Can't control it, but just like as easy it can come down, as easy it can go right back up. So that's why we're waiting to see what's gonna happen with this 5-minute and see if the price is not gonna shoot right back up. All right, so this look like it's stopping at the current week value area low. Looks like that's going to be the key level for it. 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick. So got 10 seconds on this, and then after that, I think price is going to start to come right back up. So we'll see what's going to happen. See, is the dollar still pushing? Wow, that's crazy. And NAS100 and NAS30 are still going up. So let's see exactly what's going to happen here. Nah, that's crazy. Alright, above. Oh. Come on, you know you want to do it. Yeah. Whew. NASDAQ 130 are both going up. This is weird. Looks like prices returning to the Sunday open.
Order filled.
Let me check something. Okay.
Order filled.
What's that?
Price.
That's the sound of Downy Unstoppable scent beads going into your washing machine and giving your clothes freshness that lasts all day long. There it is again. It's like music to your ears. Oh.
Let's go, price. Make some movements. Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
Order filled.
Oh, a field. Alrighty.
Favorite gym music.
Oh. Oof. What is this market doing right now? When news comes out, it's like awesome, but like it's also the suckiest thing in the world because it just messes up the flow of the freaking markets. And now the markets just don't even know what to do anymore. Like, for starters, I'm surprised NAS100 and NAS30 are pushing up. Like, I never would have thought that. Gold I can understand because the correlation against the US dollar is literally opposite, so that's fine, but yeah, this is crazy right now. Oh, my stomach hurts like crazy right now. All right, so Price got into this level. We'll wait for this 15 minutes to close and see what the next two candles do. I'll be right back. Oh.
kids were always messaging. They LOL'd, I ROFL'd, but
So price finally reacted from this level. I mean, not exactly where we wanted. I wanted it to be off the point of control, but it is reacting off of this current weak value area low. So, and it's creating an order block in the 5-minute time frame. So there's going to be another big spike if that's up or down. We're going to see exactly what's going to happen because this is going to be interesting. All right, so now we finally got back into the 2 levels. So now we're waiting for rejections. Same thing here. So waiting for rejection. So price didn't tap down and then go up. It actually went straight up due to the news. So now I'm going to assume that price is going to come down for the New York session. So let's just wait to see how this hour closes. And I think 4-hour closes. Not now, but in an hour. The 2-hour closes in an hour. And then, yeah, this 1 hour is going out now. Same thing here with this one. So we'll see exactly what happens. We wanted it to bounce off the point of control, but now I guess we'll wait for it to bounce off of this. So, we'll kind of see what happens here. I mean, because of the news, it's going to be a bit iffy. We might be in the stream for a while because when price moves like this or when it's in these types of areas, it's always hard, especially when it's because of news. It's hard to trade, so we'll see exactly what we can do with this. Yeah, this is crazy. Woo. Yo, this news went oh my gosh. Holy cow. Nah, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. Nah, the NASDAQ move was crazy. Like, if I did it like this, just so y'all can see. With just one lot, that was 3 grand. My average is between 5 and 10. So, oh my. Yo, that is crazy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. News is like, people are scared of news, and you know, I don't recommend trading news necessarily, like only trading news, but man, I mean, if you have a right bias and you're already in, and then price just shoots up and you don't have a take profit, I mean, you can make so much money so fast. It's like ridiculous. All right, so we got 5 minutes. Doesn't seem like anything is stopping, which is weird because it would be a complete reversal for the week for everything, basically. Yeah. I mean, this could be trying to tap this from Sunday, but I'm not too sure that's what it's gonna do. I don't know. Yeah, this today might have messed up the whole yeah. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Like, don't get me wrong, gold has had wicks like this before, but like, I mean, damn. Like, this is a pretty hefty wick, I'm not gonna lie. And it's still going. Like, it's not even stopping and like making a retracement. It's still going right now. Same thing with NAS100. And down, it's still in the same area, so yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, this has got a 300 tick move at this point. Yeah, exactly 300 tick move. Crazy, man. Crazy. And I mean, fundamentals too, right? You have these highs here. Price was slowly making its way up, so having a buy above any one of these wicks would have put you in a profit instantly, and you would have not been any drawdown. So, same thing down here. These highs, this high, this high. I mean, if you put it in above these highs, you wouldn't be in that much profit, but you would still be up. And taking out the lows, like I said, right? It would be aiming to take out the lows. This is where we would have put it in. So from the time that we would have put it in to where price is currently at right now, that's a 231 tick move right there, right? So technically I caught this, but we didn't hold it. We didn't use a lot of slots, right? And because I moved my stop, it took it out automatically. So yeah, we would have still been in this. That would have been a stream trade, and that's crazy. That's, yeah. But I don't want that. I don't want it to be a news trade. I want it to be a trade that I actually took. This is crazy. Where the heck is price going right now? Like, goodness. Yeah, this is crazy. I can't even put this right now. Yeah, this is crazy. Alrighty. Price action all week has been absolutely terrible. As you guys can see, there was just a nice swing in the beginning of the week, and then it's just been consolidating for the rest of the week, right? Same thing over here. Consolidation, one big swing, consolidation, right? Consolidation, 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 consolidation. So this week's price movement has been absolutely garbage. Not the best, not the funnest. Wouldn't recommend. So it has been a slow week. I definitely want to catch a bigger trade than that 166 that it was. But let's just see what we could do, man. Alright, so we broke below the current week value area low. Alright, so at this point, we need to see if price is going to retrace and then continue to go down. That's the only thing that I'm looking at for gold. If it just keeps going down, then I mean, yeah. So current week and previous week value area low is at the same place, so that wouldn't really make sense. I could probably use a previous day probably. Let me see. Yeah, I could use a previous day if I wanted to. So previous day, you could use this. We could see exactly what price is going to do there, but I'm not feeling that the most. We can also see if we can use this week's low point. Yeah, so we could put this as and current week, previous day, point of control. Right? So now we just need to wait for 2 wicks. So we can see what's gonna happen right here. Yeah, we can see. Whew. So price is moving up right now. All right. Yeah. Price is moving crazy right now. Where's the 9 o'clock? Gold might be trying to push back to the current week value area low. Not too sure what the price is doing. This is why news is the most annoying thing on a Friday. Because then price just doesn't know what it's doing anymore. Alright, so just tap the value area low. Let's see if it's going to reject off of it now. Going to the 5-minute time frame to see.
With the price of just about everything going up during inflation.
Price broke through. And now, let's see what it's going to do. We can wait for price to come back down here. I think that's what we're waiting for. Yeah, we're waiting for the rejection. So it already looks like it's breaking down, so hopefully it just keeps going down at the same time. Same thing here. The point of control is more important, but either level is good because they're right next to each other. And this is from the current week, so both of them are pretty key in the sense that if I can get the proper projection off of this one, or if it breaks through and comes to this one, either one is going to be good. So we'll see what that does. And gold is now going to keep going up. So now this might be the retracement after all of the news, and now price is going to go back to where it was and then start making its move from there right before New York session opens. So we'll see exactly what's going to happen here. Oh, price just doesn't want to stop. Let's see. Interesting. So I put this down here, and we could possibly take the buy here. Stop loss would be down here. Target the highs.
Order
Oh.
Rejected.
When you try to get wicked in and Price says, nope, not today. I think we'll take this trade, guys. If you can wick me in. Oh. It wants to wick me back in. If it keeps going up, then that's that. But this is a consolidation zone. Rejection, rejection, breakthrough, rejection, breakthrough, rejection, breakthrough, rejection. Kept going up. Let's see. Let's just see hypothetically if we get wicked in. This becomes a 1 to 4. 1 to 4 with like 140 ticks. Not feeling it as much. Yeah, if it wicks us in, then fine. But yeah, I'm not really feeling that one. Alright, so fine, we're getting a rejection. This is on down. Or DOW. And we're getting the rejection now. So after this candle closes, if the next one creates a wick down and then pushes up, takes over this, then that would be a buy opportunity right there. So we would put it top of this wick. It would be like that. And we would be aiming for the highs. Got 3 minutes. If this candle doesn't wick us in the next 3 minutes, then I'm just gonna take. Oh, we're in. As soon as I said it. Oh. All right, so 214 tick move. This will be break even right here. Only down $60 right now. Instant 10 in profit. Gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it.
You've seen talk show hosts, but never one like me. Said we gon' be on top. I took the hip hop world by storm. Next step, entrepreneur, podcast, community leader. Now, I'm using my voice in a new way. I'm talking to people who are driving the culture. New episodes, new guests, every week.
Yes, sir. Keep it going, keep it going.
We gon' be on top. Fat Joe Talks, only on Stars.
Cam found out that group chats between different phones aren't private or encrypted encrypted, thank you. We only text in code.
Yes, which I created. I created a code.
Yes. Which can be a little annoying.
Wait, was that your attempt at the code?
You already forgot the code, didn't you?
I should have written it down.
The place to safely send messages between different devices. WhatsApp. Message privately with everyone.
Yes, sir. 15 seconds left. Already 21 ticks up.
Reach for core power, a delicious way to recover right. With 26 grams of protein to build muscle and electrolytes to help hydrate. Champion your recovery.
All right, we got 15 minutes until New York session open, so that's the volatility that we're going to need to carry us into this profit and finish off this trade. This is a 200 tick move trade, so that's going to be 3 back-to-back streams if we can hit this properly. Right now, we're around $400 in profit since we've used 2 lots. Oh, make that 700 now since price wanted to spike up. Yeah, we're doing pretty good right now. Yep. 500. Yeah, I think this New York volatility is gonna throw it up. It's literally just gonna shoot it straight up. I have a feeling. So we're gonna see what happens. We got 11 minutes until this candle closes, New York session opens, and we get some volatility. I mean, if we could get this trade to play out and also get this trade to play out properly, yeah, that's going to be a solid 2 trades. Solid 2 trades. See what we can do, guys. Let's see what we can do. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Still in profit. Oh yeah, this is the gold song right here. Once you start playing it, gold starts going up. Look at this. That's so funny. Nah, this is legitimately the gold song. Bro, this is a jam right here. All right, we're around $500 in profit again. Because the gold song started playing. Gold had to show up. Oh my goodness. All right. Now we're back down. All right, I'm sorry. Go back up. I'm telling you, man. Anytime I talk about the markets, they just don't like me. All right, 7 minutes, 7 ticks. Amazing. On my own price. All right. So 6 minutes left. $80 in profit. Nothing too crazy right now. We're back at break even. Come on, price. Do something that is worth streaming. Please. Oh my goodness. We should just start calling price and nicknames, man. Alrighty. All right, 5 minutes left. 16 ticks. All right, so 25 ticks, 28 ticks, 30 ticks. Oh, 34. Oh, goodness. Oh. All right, so that's another 50 ticks for it to get to that break even point. Complete. How many ticks is this? 50 is right here. All right, this is going to be the deal. If the volatility from the New York session isn't a lot, right, and we do not push above this 51 mark within the first, I would say, 5-minute, 15-minute time frame or candle, then we'll move this stop one back to the 50 mark. We'll take profits at 50, move to break even, and then let price move up incrementally. Because it's going to go up, but I don't want to be sitting in a trade for 7 hours. So we're already up to 40, so we're doing pretty good. 52 right there, boom. So we're doing really good now. 57, 54, 5, 59. We're almost there. Almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. Literally 30 more ticks and we're at break even. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Light it up, light it up. Light it up. All right. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. $64, $68. 64, 65, 62. Oh. We're at 70 ticks right now. That was 70 ticks. 70 ticks, man. Look at that. All right, come on. We got a minute. We got a minute. I want to see price soar. Shoot to the moon. Come on. Literally, our take profit and break even zone is where the news started. If price can exactly return to that point, then it's a solid trade. I'm up $1,000 right now. So, I mean, like, if I wanted to, I could pull this out, but I want to stick to the full trade. So, we'll see what's going to happen here. We're down now to $900. Still 1,000 now. Yeah. Got 30 seconds. When people say they like trading, yeah. Until you're sitting in fucking profit and Bryce is doing nothing for a solid 7 minutes. Oh my goodness, this is just, I love this. It's so much fun. And like, of course, nobody gets this shit overnight, but once you start getting it, when you start figuring it out, this stuff becomes so much more simpler. Like the fact that I was able to switch from wanting it to sell to now it going up. I mean, you have to have quick thinking skills, quick decision making, and you can't be undecisive. You have to just move with what you want to do. So, New York session open, price is moving downwards right now. So let's see what price is going to continue to do. Still $600 in profit, so it's not like we're down anything crazy. Oh my god. Alright, so NAS100 is breaking down and coming back into the Sunday open, so that might be another possible trade if we get wicked out of this one. We might move our stop loss. Genuinely, we might move our stop loss. I'm watching it though, I'm watching it, but we might move our stop loss. The only reason why I'm saying we might move our stop loss is because, and yeah, I mean, it's more or less like, why is price taking so long to move? Yo, I want you to go in the opposite direction. Can you go in the opposite direction? I will say that price opening up bearish like this is good because that gives buyers more opportunities to now push harder and go in, right? The aggressiveness to the sell side isn't always necessarily bad, right? That can always mean that price is just going to reject and then bounce off of it and keep going up, which it looks like it's doing right now. Yeah, we're back at 50 ticks again. Highest that we were is at 70 ticks. We're trying to get to 100 ticks to make profit and net break even. And depending on the next 15 candle and the 5-minute candle, possibly. No. Depending on this 15-minute candle, will determine if we will pull up the trade or if we're just going to move our stop loss. Just because I think, I mean, we were in so much profit with price because it's a Friday. It's just going to keep going up and down, up and down, up and down. Sometimes it does that. Sometimes price moves. It's either or. So you just have to play it as you go, basically. But we'll see. Oh. Oof. You're right there. You're right there. Literally another 40 ticks. The same amount of ticks to go back down. The same amount of ticks to go back down. Just go up. So you can tell that the buyers are taking somewhat control now because it opened up bullish, right? And then it came down bearish, whatever. And now price is slowly trickling back up. And it keeps wicking back down, but it's not pushing down, right? It's just wicking and then pushing right back up, which is letting me know that the buyers are having more control right now than the sellers, right? It will come down and then it's going to push back up, then it's going to come down and it's going to push back up. until it basically flips, and then the buyers are all in, and that's it. We're flying in profit, or more profit, I should say. So, come on, price, come on, come on. I mean, if you're in this trade, take your profits, take your money. We have NASDAQ 100 that we're looking for as well for another trade. It looks like a 5-minute candle already wicked into it, so that might be a good sign for us. Take another trade too with that. This one's creating steps basically, as you guys can tell. Look, wick, wick, wicks, small candles, big wick, push down, small push down, and then it's going to be another staircase up, and then doom, staircase up, doom, staircase up. That's what it's going to keep doing, because that's a big wick that didn't close fully, right? And now we're flipping bullish. This is going to be a good trade, I think. Really good trade. I don't know why I put this in so far. Yeah, so this is 156. We'll move it to 88. Only moving it to 88 because of how slow everything's moving in. NASDAQ had to push down. NAS30, or not NAS30, but down 30. Pushed up, then pushed down. So it seems like price doesn't know where it really wants to go. So I don't want to lose an unnecessary amount of profit. It is breaking my trading plan because I usually put my stop losses underneath the previous wick from that bullish wick. But since we're nearly like 200 ticks up from that point, there's no reason why I'm letting price go back that much. So we'll let it wick me. You know, I'll still have a stop loss. We'll still not move to break even until it gets to this point. But I think we still gotta wait. And besides, now this makes more sense for break even because this is 88 ticks to this and this is 97 ticks to that. So break even makes a little bit more sense. Not us having a stop loss of 150 ticks and then a profit of 200 ticks. So this makes it a little bit better. It's a 1 to 2 now, 1 to 2.4 actually. So we'll see what price is going to keep doing here. seconds on that little fucking candle. Whoops, not mean to do that, but on that little candle. Alright, so there goes price back to 64, almost at 70 where we were last. So price is making its move now, hopefully. $40 ticks away. We are up $1,100 in profit right now, so we're doing pretty good. NAS100. All right, so this is good, right? If we can get this candle to get all the way down here, tap this Sunday open, and then take over this, this would be another opportunity right here. So entry. So entry model 2 right here. We're just waiting for those two things right there, and then we can take that possible buy opportunity. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. All right. And this is taking its sweet time. Oh my goodness. Bro, price is killing me right now. On the past 2 Fridays we've had, volatility was there instantly. But I think it also was around 10 o'clock, so we'll see. We will see. Alright, we got 2 minutes on this 15-minute. Price is playing with my feelings right now. Just go up. Like, oh, I hate slow volatility, bro. This just makes trading not fun, in my opinion. Low volatility. This is the sucky parts. But it's like, all right, cool. I'm up $800 right now, right? At our highest point, I think it was like $1,200–1,300. I could have pulled that out. We could have just walked away, right? Good day, right? But it's like if price came all the way up here, I think I would have made. I think I'm making 5 or 6. So it's like, do I really want to just not hold and just see what happens? You know, it's not like we're down here and we're waiting for price to come all the way up here. We're a good amount up, and we were up almost 70 points. So we'll see what's going to happen here. Right now, I'm still up 720. Yeah, I was just going to say the trading view market is very, very slow. So I don't even pay attention to what the candle is doing here or what even this says. I'm telling you guys what it says, but I'm looking at my TradeOvate because on TradeOvate it's actually like real time updating. So like I know where price is moving. So it might bounce down here for a second, but over here it might still be floating because it's just going to come right back up. And right now we haven't broken under $700 for a solid minute for a while now. So, and this candle's about to close. So, let's see. All right, we're at 726. Yeah, no. This trade is invalidated. But that doesn't mean we won't take a trade on it. We just have to wait for a new trade. So maybe this will flip and we can get something going. So that's the proper rejection I was looking for. But then this one, same deal. Rejected. So we need to find new ones for those. Currently, I'm just sticking to this. Yeah, we got 15 minutes before 10 o'clock happens. That will be the 1 hour close, the 2 hour close, the 4 hour close. So this will be an important candle. I mean, if we're looking at the 4 hour, we're bearish. If we're looking at the 2 hour, we're bearish. But once you hit the 1 hour, we're bullish, right? Even the day time frame, you're bearish. But look at the previous day. Look how that closed. And then look at our day currently, right? It's both sides all over the place. So price really doesn't know where it wants to go right now. But if you go lower, 1 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, everything is bullish basically. Going back and forth because they're at the flipping or the turning point. So let's just see. I really just want to get to this so we can just call some profits in. This would be 750 profits if I take halves because it would be around $1,600. So that's what I'm waiting for price to do. Yeah. See exactly what's gonna happen here. Yeah. Dow is out the books for today. It's by these two levels right here, point of control value area high. It's about to tap the Sunday open. This is a tunnel right now. I'm not staying away from that. This NAS100, I mean, if I can get the proper rejection on the 30 minute on the hour, then we can take that. And then, yeah, we're just still waiting for gold to continue to go up. Seems like we were just, yeah, we were up 50 ticks not too long ago. So, come on, price. You got this. You got this, price. We are literally 50 ticks away, or 45 ticks away from profit. I mean, from taking profit and breaking even. So, we are slowly getting up there, guys. We are slowly getting up there. Price is very interesting. The market doesn't want me to hit back-to-back 200 pip move streams. It just doesn't want me to. Well, back-to-back to back. 43 ticks, 42 ticks. Nine minutes before this hour closure. So I'm not loving this right now. Yeah, I'm not loving this right now. Oh, I'll be right back. Oh.
Gain presents a tale of longing and long-lasting scent. Dear love of my life, we were on the 12B bus when I caught a whiff. A scent so fresh, so life-changing, I had to find its source. I didn't know if you were the woman in the pink freshly washed cardigan or the retired mailman next to me, but I knew one of you was my soulmate. Ah, the scent of Gain Flings. Add Gain scent beads for an even longer lasting scent.
All that sweet chocolate and smooth caramel and crunchy cookie? Twix is more than more. It's more. Twix is the perfect candy for all your Halloween fun. Whether you're spooking across the neighborhood or from the comfort of home, there's more to a Twix. Click or tap the banner to buy now.
For all the people seeking their highest potential.
And all the people there to lift them up.
Propel Fitness Water is one more thing to help you keep.
Oh shit!
Propel Fitness
We're higher than we were before.
Electrolytes.
Oh, there we go. 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 Got 30 seconds. Literally gotta get my camera ready. Alright. If you guys want to move to profit, you can. Take profit, break even, do that if you want. I'm gonna hold until it gets to this point, letting it wick me here, and then I'll move everything around. But yeah, good work, good work, good work, good work. All right, so we got 5 minutes until the hour closes. It's going to be very, 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 very volatile, given that it's going to be the 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour closure. Whenever that happens, it doesn't matter what time of day it is, but usually when it happens during the New York session, there's a large push if it's down or up, whatever it might be. So we'll see exactly what's going to happen there. We are 20 pips away from hitting that stop. So let's see if we can hit it. Wow. NAS100 completely broke down. The down is just currently consolidating, and we got gold making incremental moves up. Like I said, it's doing the staircase right now. So consolidate, push, consolidate, push. This might be another consolidate. Hopefully on one of these wicks, it just wicks us and we can take profit. Yeah, we are floating 1,600 right now in profits. So we're doing very well, very well, very well, very well. That recorded. All right, so we're getting a little rejection right now. Still up $1,300. So, like I said, whenever it opens up bearish, it's usually a good sign because then it will flip, and that's exactly what it did over here. That's what it did over here. So, let's see. The price can just wick us in. Moving 20 ticks down, just move 20 ticks in the other direction, man. Literally the same amount of ticks in the opposite direction. And that's TP1. So, okay. Let's see. Come on. We're almost there, guys. All right. We got 2 minutes on this hour closure. Everybody be ready for a big spike. Just be ready. Orders getting filled. Come on, gold, you got this. Come on, gold, you got this. All right, we got 1 minute and 23 seconds. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Still 1,100 in profit right now, so that's still good. Come on, man. You got this. Let's see this 4 hour. Oh my lord. 4 hour is terrifying. So is that 2 hour? My goodness. This is counter trading at its finest. At its finest. My goodness. I mean, but look at this candle. That's a beautiful candle. Like, that's a complete shift in direction. That isn't, you know, a small little candle down here. We're in the 5 minute and the 15 minute, so that's why the candles aren't pushing as strong. But if you're just looking at the 1 hour, that's pretty strong. All right, 15 seconds. Let's see what's going to happen here. We're back to 50 ticks, so we went down basically 20 ticks from where we were just 2 seconds ago. So let's see. Price clearly is starting to move. All right, so there it goes. Getting a push up. Do I want to move to break even? All right, we're gonna move to break even, guys. I really do not want to be in this trade any longer than I must. This 15-minute, these candles right here, I'm not feeling very hot about. This is undecisive candles right here, so I'm not feeling too hot about it, right? So it's gonna push up. It might take out this one again, you know, and then push right back down immediately. So I'm not feeling too hot about it in the sense that I don't want to sit in the trade for much longer. So we'll either just break even on this trade, take some profit if it hits this eventually. So we'll do that. Yeah. We're still about $1,200 in profit. I just want to play it safe so that we're not basically playing it risky, right? I want to play it safe, play it smart, so there's no reason to stay in a trade for 3 hours and it's still in the same place. So NAS100 completely fell down right back to that value area high. NAS30 did a big push down, so gold might be doing that next, hypothetically. So we gotta be close, pay close attention to this. It is what it is. This is the life of trading. It's not the funnest, but this is what you gotta do. This is making its way back to break even. We're now $600 in profit 5. Oh, I love gold. I just love it, love it, love it. Love it. What is going on in this 1 minute time frame? Like, we are in a consolidation zone right now. Like, this is a straight up consolidation zone. So, yeah. We're going to be in this for a while. All right, now we're back to 500. It's literally just a consolidation zone. Back to 700. So this is the point of control right here from this week. So that's why price is taking, I guess you can say, some time to break it and just finally push through it. But my goodness, you would think that it would do it already. Oof. Let's see what price is doing here, man. I'm not feeling this. Alright, man. Come on, price. Stop freaking being retarded. Yeah, this is what happens when you trade, man. This is what goes with it. Trade seems like it's going to play out, and then it just consolidates forever. So, this is why I rather just move to break even and get wicked out early than sit in a trade longer, because once you hit a certain threshold, like a certain point in the day, there's no reason to be in the markets, right? The volatility is not there, so you're a swing trader now, and there's no reason to be looking at the charts. Just put in a trade, and let's see what happens. So, with day trading, I mean, the goal is to be in and out of the markets very fast. It's not, you're not supposed to be in the, the markets for hours. So, that's why I'm getting very agitated, because this is just ridiculous at this point. So, we'll see what's going to happen here. Price is slowly making a trail back up now, so hopefully it will finish and actually wick me in this time, or wick this stop, this limit, and then we could just let the trade ride and not even worry about it anymore. It's been a pretty slow week too. If we just get out of that for a second, you guys can just see, right? This is where the week started. This is where the week is. It's just been up and down, no real direction. Same thing with NAS100, right? NAS30, same thing. So it's been a pretty, I wouldn't say bad week, but the price action has not been good. It's been pretty shitty. So we'll see what happens. We're already taking over this high from the previous hour, or 2 hours ago, maybe. So let's see. Price was just up $1,200, and now we're back to 1,000. I think we're gonna be making our way back up. Let's see. I've been in trades sometimes where I'm literally looking at the 1 minute time frame, and then all of a sudden price just goes from here to up here. Like, it's just, the candle is literally like off the screen. It's so crazy. Is that gonna happen now? I don't think so. But we will see. Man, come on, man. This price action is horrible. It sucks. This is the worst type of price action in the world. This up and down nonsense. Consolidation zones are the worst. Like, it's just, ugh, it's absolutely the worst. All right, so it says I'm an 880 profit right now. I don't know what's going on with the markets. All right, come on, man. So NAS100 is pushing, NAS30 is pushing, or down 30 is pushing. Let me know if you guys call it down 30 or NAS30. Some people call it NAS30, some people call it down 30. I literally couldn't choose either or. I just call it NAS30 because NAS100, NAS30 just makes it a lot easier. But let me know what you call it. Ugh. This price action sucks! Oh my goodness. I've never been like more aggravated. Like, just fucking do something. Wick me out or fucking put me in profit. Like, do something, bro. Like, price better just rocket up with this type of slow volatility. If it consolidates like this for the whole day, I'm gonna cry. Which I will be completely honest with you guys, it has before. Like, price has literally, after just one move, literally just been in the same place for hours. So I wouldn't be surprised. I would not be surprised. But it seems like it was just breaking that point of control. Now going back up. It also looks like a head and shoulders too. So right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So push back down and then a push up would be fundamental right there. So let's see if that's exactly what's going to happen. Oh, I just love when price action sucks. Come on, man. Oh, price, come on, man. So you guys can see we're still sitting in profit at 8. So we'll see what happens here. Oh my goodness, what is this price action, bro? Like, this is so terrible. Let's see what this looks like. Ugh. It's trying to. It's not looking the greatest, though. We got 8 minutes on this 30-minute time. I mean, on this 30-minute wick. This hour wick. It's got 7 minutes until. Got 30 minutes. We got 37 minutes left. Yeah, but it's creating an order block now. Yeah. I mean, this is just what happens. Can't really do much else besides just wait and see what price does. It was a solid trade, and to be honest, if I moved this down, we could have took some profits and just moved to break even regardless. The trade was a bit bigger, so that's why we still haven't taken profit. Moved to break even because I wanted to, not because we hit this. So that's just the way of trading. But I would rather not make any money on this trade if it comes all the way freaking back. Than letting it come down. If it's gonna come down here, barely touch me in, and then come right back up. Like, we're not doing that whole debacle. So let's see. It's breaking out of the tunnel. Let's see if it's going to wick me out. We got 100, 120, 180, 20, 40. Done. Ow. Well, that was one trade. I mean, what can you do about that? I'm just gonna log this. I need to log my trades. So 1 second. That was a 2667. 2667. We came right back. 0. Break even. This was a. Okay, that was on the, I believe that was on the 30-minute. That was a break even. All right, so that's done. Now we can start looking for other trades. All right. We could take the sell opportunity right here, basically flipping it, right? Because this is still a main key level, and that's why the rejection is happening here, right? And we could take it right from here. Wait, hold on. Let me set this up properly. Right, and then... Oh, yeah. That's like 30 ticks. I mean, 30 ticks. Yeah. Okay. So this would be the next trade. I mean, it's not anything crazy. It's literally just a counter trade now. So we're just going with the flow, hopefully, of the trend. So still same level that we're entering in, 2668 or 2668. And we're just gonna see exactly what price is gonna do here. It looks like it jumped to 17 ticks before continuing, so we'll see what happens here. Only reason why I'm doing this is because of the key level that it's at, right? So if this point of control right here, if this was not here, I would not be taking a sell. I would not even consider it right now. I would still be waiting for price to come back to this value area high, and then we can look for something to continue. But I would not be looking for a sell, or even for price to come back to this level or this current week value area low, right? So it's the current week point of control, right? Like this is a very key level, right? We just spent 2 hours roughly rejecting off of this, what, 40 ticks right here? Not even 20 ticks, right? We just spent all that time rejecting off this. So now we're waiting for price to continue to go down. It's not the best trade, and it is breaking my trading plan because I did not wait for the proper rejection, meaning that I wanted it to be like this. That's way more appealing than when price is already halfway through it and the area that it rejected from is all the way up here, because this price could easily just flip and then take over this high and continue to go up. So I'm just taking the risk here. It's Friday. I'm feeling special. It's been a slow week, so if I take this loss, it won't really hurt me that much. And that's what it was. If you did take the trade with me in the beginning, then you definitely took some profit. If you did, or you just broke even. And then now if you're taking this with me, now it's the same deal. So now we're going to see what price is going to do exactly. Yeah. So with all of that right there, yeah. Complete literal order block being created here. Price not being able to break out of this. I mean, yeah. Yeah. Price is now broke below it. Touched an area, right? Another consolidation zone. Came back. Now it's retesting this point of control, and then it should fall back down. So that's what we should see in the next 15 minutes. But we're going to see exactly what happens. I mean, you know, I'm not really anticipating price to continue to go up, but you never really know. That could have been a whole fake out, right? And if I would have left my stop loss to where it was originally, then we wouldn't have got wicked out. But it is what it is. So we're just going to wait for this. I like this trade a little bit more because of how many wicks we have over here. So it's like a clear indication that price, or not price, but buyers are not in control right now. And yeah. And then if we go back to the 2 hour, 4 hour, we're still bearish, still bearish, still bearish, 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 bearish. So it's 168 ticks move, so TP1 would be right here. Price is now going down. Let's see what it's going to do. All right, we're down 300. Nothing crazy. Jeez. Only has one wicked in. I don't know why. It only has one in. Thought I put two. Oh. Drop this chair. Hmm.
Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that crib for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leaves. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah.
I'm trying to go to the gym. Can this price move?
Let me not even say this shit. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Niggas want me to believe in the dream that they see for theyself and still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toe, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give a wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a flex up. I need a 10, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Ayy, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we. Look at the dread, my nigga, we ran, she all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming that they know my songs. I tell them quote the lines until I'm goated, bitch, I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen.
All right.
I just got her back, she wanna fuck, I think she knows
38 ticks. So since it only wicked in one lot, I'm actually only down $400, not 800. So maybe this was meant to be. Not gonna be good, so that's why it's stopping the price. Technically, we're still good because we broke even on the other trade. So even if you took that with me and you broke even, you've made money on 2 pass streams now. So let's see if we can end this week and have a 3rd profitable stream for everyone. 3 is my lucky number, so I always say if something happens 3 times, it's not a coincidence. So if it's an opportunity, then take it. If it's a sign for something, then take that sign. 3. It's always 3. Nothing more. Once you start going above 3, it's like, all right, you're letting it happen, whatever it may be, or however you want to put it. But what I'm thinking is that if I can get 3 back-to-back streams, 200 tick moves, what is that? That's like a sign that I'm going to blow up this year or something? Alright, man. Come on, Price. You're killing me. You're killing me, Jamal. Killing me. Whoever's in the fucking back room pressing buttons right now, stop fucking pressing buttons. You're pissing me off. Alright, buddy. We're literally going to go back to where we were in the last trade. This is crazy. Oh. See, and this is why I said earlier in the stream that Fridays are always like they're always known for reversals after a big news, right? So news came down, right? Then price came back up. Then price came back down. Then price came all the way back up here. And then it started consolidating. Got a new high, consolidating. Then it broke these lows. But then now it's all the way back here again, taking out this high. So it looks like it's going to take over this high and continue to go up, taking over where it started from news. Like, this is why news on Fridays is always annoying and it sucks because it just messes up price action completely, and now price doesn't know what to do. Like, I don't know why NAS30 and the Dow are like down this much and gold is going up right now. Like, it just, the correlation is completely off. Even the US dollar hasn't even moved that much, so like, I don't know. Looks like we're about to get wicked out on this trade, and that'll probably conclude the stream, not gonna lie, because it's almost 11 o'clock. And there's no reason to keep going past 11 with one break even, one out. Aw, damn. Alright. Well, that sucks. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta change that trade. Fucking. Because I put 2 thinking that it was going to be wicked in. Nice. Nice. Alright. So we'll see where this is going to go now. Hold on 1 second. We got to see where price is feeling today. Alrighty. 1 second. All right. Well, I mean, today wasn't too crazy of a stream. We were able to get 1 break even, and we took a loss on this last one. I mean, basically, if we would have stayed in the other trade, I didn't move my stop loss, then we would have been still in profit, actually, and we probably would have been at break-even point and switching over to now taking some profits. But it is what it is. Fridays, they're known for reversals, so when I'm looking at the charts, I'm trying to figure out what's going on in that exact moment, and I thought price was now going to make that rejection because it had that 30-minute undecisive candle, then it had the 30-minute bearish candle, so then it wicked us out. So I believe that it was going to keep going down, but it reversed, and now currently price is higher than where we were when we were in the first trade. So that's just the way the markets are, and that will conclude today's stream. We'll be back next week. Hopefully we can start next week's first trade will be a nice one. Still going to be aiming for these 200, 150 tick moves so that even if you're using 1 lot or literally like $1, you're still making a decent amount of money. So that's all that matters to me. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and stay blessed.